Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and in this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to show you how I make my I call them like my creamy sausage stuffed mushrooms. They are absolutely insanely good. You're gonna love them, and they're really great like a low carb option for your Easter table. I've been getting a lot of messages on Instagram to share just a couple of like low carb options for your Easter menu. So I feel this would be really great, and you can make them into an entree if you want to by just using bigger mushrooms like a portobello mushroom, and that would be fantastic. But these are gonna be great with a little bit of arugula and fennel salad for either an entree, a side dish, a starter, whatever you fancy. Let me run you through the list of ingredients because it's not very big. You need some mushrooms. These are just white bun mushrooms that I prepped, and I'll show you one in just a second. I've got a 4-blend cheese here, mozzarella, Asiago provolone, and lots of freshly grated parm. These are the stems from those mushrooms that I just finely chopped. Onion, garlic, parsley, a little cream cheese, Italian sausage, salt, and a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm going to show you how I prepped the mushrooms just to give you an idea how I did all of them. So I just take out the stem, and you take the stem and you give it a nice little chopperoo because this is perfectly edible. It's not too hard, it's not too tough, it's perfect. And I just take a little teeny tiny teaspoon, right? And this doesn't have to be pretty because these are going to be covered, so you won't see it, but I kind of just get rid of all of the center bits. So I've got a nice amount of surface area here for the stuffing, and that's it. I just kind of took a damp paper towel to clean each one, and they're good to go. To my hot skillet with a little bit of olive oil, I'm going to add my sausage. Now I bought my sausage already in bulk like this out of the casing, but if you were using like sausage links, you want to get rid of the casing. Now I know for a fact that I'm going to add a lot more filling than I do mushrooms. That's because I'm saving some of it to make stuffed mushrooms in the middle of the week. I need it twice, make it once. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to cook this in my skillet over about medium heat, medium high-ish heat until the sausage is pretty much fully cooked. And you want to break it up as much as you can with a wooden spoon. This looks really great. Now obviously it's not fully cooked through yet, but that's okay because it's got a ways to go. So now I'm going to add my diced onion, finely chopped onion. One small, half a medium, a large, you're in charge, you do you. And the stems of the mushrooms, right? So now to this, I'm gonna add a good pinch of salt and cook them all together. I'm not gonna add any extra oil or anything just because the sausage already is rendering a little bit of fat. And the sausage I buy is quite lean. I mean, as you can see, there's not like a ton of fat rendering, but it's just enough that it's gonna cook everything really nicely, and it's gonna be so delicious. You gotta trust me on this. They're really simple and easy, but what a fantastic recipe to serve in the middle of the night. I mean, I like to do these, to be honest. Appetizer size are fantastic, but I love to do these in really big portobello mushrooms with a lovely side salad. Perfect weeknight dinner that is so satisfying. And if you are curbing your carbs a couple times a week, because if you're anything like me, you eat heavy carbs a few times and lower carbs a few times, it's called balance, then this is so great. You're gonna love it. So I'm just gonna keep my eye on this and just cook it until the sausage develops some color and the mushrooms and onions cook down. This looks really great. So now I'm gonna just add the garlic, add that right in, and the parsley. I'm just gonna cook this for, I don't know, like a minute, just to kind of cook the garlic a little bit. And then I'm gonna add it all to a big bowl, and then we'll continue on to make the filling. All right, this looks amazing to me. Let me do it. Super yummy. Now I'm gonna add my cream cheese. Sounds crazy, I know, but it is amazingly delicious, and it kind of holds everything together without having to add any eggs or breadcrumbs, but it also gives you this lovely creamy component that makes these melt in your boca. So good. So I'm just gonna work the cream cheese in the hot sausage mixture. I'm gonna use my spoon because it's nice and easy. And now what I've done here, so I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees, right? Now because I made the filling in my cast iron skillet, and my cast iron skillet can go right into my oven, what I did was I just added a small drizzle of olive oil to the same skillet. I don't even rinse it out because more flavor, more better. I'm gonna just cook them in there. I mean, why get something else dirty if I don't need to, right? And it's gonna be delicious. It's gonna soak up, the mushrooms are gonna soak up any extra flavor from the bottom of the pan. So It's a 2-for-1 really, and we're just about near the end of where we want to be with this mixin'. So here's what you do now. You take your mushroom, okay? This is a lot of flavor, so I don't have to season this at all. I take an ice cream scoop, a small one, and I do a little bit of that. And then go right into your pan. And then just continue. And that's all, son. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, honestly. Now you just take a little bit of your cheese, or a lot of cheese. A lot of is better. And then I just mound it on each one. Now I'm going to pop these into my oven at 400, about 15-20 minutes or so until golden brown. I'll show you what they look like when they are done. All right, these were in the oven for 15 minutes at 400. Look at this. Look at this gorgeous bronzed cap. The bottom is just lovely and juicy. The interior you can see is super cheesy. I mean, I'm into this, okay? I am all about it. Probably should have gotten a spoon, but you know, it's okay. I'm just gonna taste one for now and have the rest for dinner. I'm gonna use this because I don't have a smaller knife near me right now. Look at that. Look at this. Cap is beautiful. This, I mean, it's just magnificent. I just kind of pulled it apart for you to see the interior, but it holds together really well. It smells unbelievable. Give me a second though, because this is going to be really hot. I literally just pulled these out of the oven. Best stuffed mushrooms you'll ever have in your entire life. They are so delicious. They are so creamy, so savory from the cheese, and the cream cheese just really brings them together. It makes them super, super creamy. You know, I'm just gonna do this. Raw bacon. Just do it. LauraInTheKitchen.com has a written recipe for you. They're to die for. Make them for your holiday table. I hope you enjoy spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.